In today's video, we are going to show you how to install a certificate in Mozilla Firefox. This is useful if you are setting up secure websites, internal tools, or fixing certificate trust issues. Let's begin. Now, open Mozilla Firefox and then go to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines and scroll down to Settings. Now, in the left side area of the navigation, click the Privacy and Security. Now scroll down until you find the Certificates section, which is right here. Now, if you are having problems searching for a certificate, all I have to do is go to the search bar. You can utilize this and type in certificate and you will be forwarded here. Now, I want you to click the View Certificates. And all I have to do is super simple. All I have to do is import the certificate and select the appropriate tab. Okay? Now browse your computer and select the certificate file. Usually it's going to be .crt, .cer, or .pem. Click and open, and of course you have the ability to carefully select the appropriate trust options and click on OK. Click OK to close the certificate manager, restart Firefox if needed. And basically that's it for today's video on how to install a certificate in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.